Okay, so I've tried to fix audio, it didn't work still, but welcome back. This is Vroid version 2 actually now. I'm gonna be telling you what I've figured out so far. It's basically a tutorial on how to use it, because it's still in all Japanese. One thing I spent quite a while trying to figure out was what this means. I can't figure it out, so I just leave it how it is. This is create load, name your project, whatever, create, I don't know what that means, it doesn't matter. Anyway, there's a lot of new things in Vroid version 2, surprisingly. The one update did a lot of new things. I understand how to use it a bit better now. If you I can't go over much because I'm still trying to study how to use it. This base might just be part 1. I might release the next part, going over more on how to use this application. I'll be using Trax's audio again. Post alone. It's on a playlist, so I don't know what's going to be playing the whole time. There they are. There's his account again. Just gonna take all the loads in it. I'm just gonna pause the video until it's loaded and talk as I go. Okay, looks like it's loaded. I'm just gonna background music. There we go. Come on. There we go. So there's the model. So there's a whole new section here, and there's a few sections here. Which, okay, don't have to really worry about these. These are all actually put in here. They're just ways to find, like, I think one will be like mouth features and stuff. So as you see, there's still the normal eye ones and whatnot. Let me actually just zoom in to see what's happening. Oh, whoops. Now on this new version, you can actually edit the clothing a bit. Not completely change it, just more the color and stuff. Okay, so that's all gonna be eye movements now. So if I go here, see, this is all the eye movements as well. It's just to basically sum everything up for people. So you can, if I make one of those like surprised how it looks, you would do something like this. Kinda, I guess. My bad. Anyway, continuing. Over here, yeah, this was the eye area. If you've done that. Okay, that's the eyebrows. Okay, that's up and down. Okay, that's the even higher. So that's just the one's just lower than the one's across. Just move this quickly so you can see a bit better. That's probably gone off the screen, but I honestly don't care. If I can, oh my god, professional recording, yeah. Sorry guys, okay, so I'm here. Okay, this is nose, so that's down, that's for up, whatever this symbol is. This is mouth, this is go down, let's go up. Let's make it smaller, apparently. So makes it look like kissing, I guess. Wider, make it a bit wider. Okay, this. Okay, that's ears. I'll have a bit smaller then. That's bigger, smaller. Long name here. Okay, cheeks. Facial features like body movement, I guess. Head size. Okay, click on this. Okay, it froze. Pause it. Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna pause it. I'm just gonna talk over so long. So they've added so you can change the entire facial. Actually, you can't model it completely, but you can edit more. You can edit the cheeks, you can edit the mouth, the nose, the eyes, the eyebrow, the ears, and the size of the forehead. Okay, I'm gonna come back to this because this is actually still all the same. Nothing's changed here. First one's eyeliner, which is this. Eyelash, which is... wait, no. Eyeline is the part there. Eyelash is the spike part. If you know what eyelashes are, you have a problem. So there's eyelash, there's the eyeline. Eyebrow, of course, is that. Skin is it's only the face. You can't edit the skin here and here by using that. That's somewhere else currently. But when it says skin, you're only editing this facial area and the ears and everything on the head. Eye white is this area here. You'll edit through here. This is the base. These bottom ones here are the base ones. So I suggest not changing these. Just press plus, off click on here, and then click on here. Then you can change it without worrying about actually messing up the original. So now, because I'm not using the original, I'll have to do this. Say I don't like it, I can erase it. But now, say I've done it on the original, then I would actually end up erasing what they put for you, which can really ruin it badly. Iris, which is, as you would know, this. So like I said, if I didn't create a second layer and I worked straight onto the main one and I made a mistake, say I did a little bit red here, but I actually want to change the color, because I didn't change in layer and I try to erase it, I fucked up and I erased the actual eye. I don't want that. I would go plus, go to the next layer, do something, oh no, I messed up, erase, and it's still there. And there's no like redo button. Okay, that is save, control save, so that you can put it into a file, and that's how you transport it to like Blender, Unity and stuff. And you figure out those also. Highlight, that's the white thing. That's everything on that area actually. So we're working on this area the whole time. Now I'm going to go to the next area over here to cover the next thing. Get a little quickly. I say that and it just freeze. Oh my god. Okay. So this is where you change the hair normally. Now, one thing to keep in mind. Okay, I'm just gonna click here, here. One of these puts up the grid, as far as I'm aware, which we do actually want. The grid helps out quite a lot. It allows you to change the way you want the head, the format on the head, how long you want it. Now, of course, you can have the grid really long and make it still short hair. It's just I actually tend to make it long hair now, as even though if I want to make it short, it just helps with the formatting of the hair. Makes it look a bit more natural, in my opinion. Of course, it would be nice if Vroid would, yeah, still beta. My computer's freezing actually. Crap. I just noticed my camera is lagging right now. Anyway, I'm trying my best to figure this thing out. I want to use this thing properly, so I hope on the full version I do incorporate English. I might have to actually restart for it. I'm gonna wait for a bit. Anyway, so all these things are do something now. One is for the body, like as in clothing. One is for the skin. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back soon. Okay, so I just started a new one. It didn't look like it was gonna restart. So anyway, back to where we were now. So as you see here, I clicked on this one, which is hair apparently, and we click on this first one. Yeah, don't click on this. Stay here for now, and ignore these, and click on the bottom one over here. This will open up this, upon which how did I do that one again? I clicked after clicking on this, I clicked on it again, which popped up a new one. Now, because I don't know what this is about, but I don't remember. I didn't do that, so I just do that for now. So again, clicking on this twice, looks like it did this for me. Made two, so I can work on the hair. So as you see, there's this grid and there are these weird dots. And these dots are what actually you can edit the grid system with. Let's say I wanted short hair. I can make it even shorter than it is, but I don't want short hair, I want long hair. So that's just that. First of all, I would do something like this. Ignore about the going through there. It's the whole body, the whole cylinder thing. So I want it like that. Kind of want it to go out a bit. Now I want to make it flesh it out a bit. Over there. Just put the lava. Go. Okay. And I want. Okay, so take you. Let your outline. Say that. Okay, and I want you to go out like that. A little more out like that. Let's see, do this. Okay, no, don't do that. Don't overlap them. So let's do that. Do that. You see, if you see parts clipping, we'll take a ball and we'll just fix it. Okay, that looks like kind of nice. I like it. So after that is done, you would take the pencil. You would customize the hair to the way you want it. Don't do that. Let's see. Let's give it. Alright, let's just give it right here. That. Oh, that's. Oh, this part is that little glimmer you see over there. You will have a light reddish type of thing. And the rest there. Beautiful. Okay, and now we can change the way it looks of it by using these. You see it changes over there. Okay, that is weird. Same with like that. Just rotate it a bit. And make it nice and thick to start off with. Get a bit of an edge. Just take it and make sure that they are functional. Okay, oh, I don't know when that's happening. Okay then. Okay, don't want that. That's making little ripples. Now this is, you see it changes small bits there, so you want to make like finer details of things, like say it's thin, oh god, thin there, then thick at the end. You would use this one, but we're not going to worry about that. So you see I have, oh shit. There we go. Okay. Actually, why did I do? No. Motherfucker. You son of a bitch. I'll put some music on back on now. There you go. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now I got the grid the way I want it. So now I literally, now you either take a pen, your pen or your mouse, whatever. Click on the pencil thing. Pick one there to start, and you draw freely because the grid will actually move it for you. Like, yeah, you see, I kind of fucked that one up. So it's basically when you start drawing the hair, not do it like this, but like the way you want it to look. Say when I want to go down, I don't do this. I would go from here and go down. See, there's a huge difference. I'm gonna create a new frame, and I'm going to cancel that one out. So see, that one I earlier is number 1 because that was the first strand I did. These are each strand things. So each time I do a strand, it's probably going to add a new one in. Yeah, see, it adds a new one in. So let's do this. Okay, I'm going to just stick in the hair a bit. Again, do that. Okay, I want it thicker. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna do it too much because I'm just see it models it way onto the grid. This the system. I made it. Say you want things to change direction, like go down here, then down the shoulder. So what you do is have the view you want it in. Go down. Or should have taken smaller here. And boom. Okay, she came out quite well. Again, do an example. Do this. And twist. Boom. Now I'm gonna just fix this and make it smaller here. See, that didn't change all the other hair. It only changes the current hair you're about to draw, because it does all this. So I want to edit the face now. No, not that. Get rid of that now. Make it a bit smaller. I want to say change that to that now. Now that doesn't change anything but the one I'm about to draw. So faces got a bit dent there. Oh dear. That's why you don't do this. Like, okay, so yeah, never do I just do, which is you take and you just yada yada, like do it ever and keep going up, because then you get this. Unless you want type of hair, like hair that just woke up in the morning, then that's what you want to do. But in regards of detail, not so much. And then, like I said before, say I don't want any of these things. I will just do this. It doesn't seem to be able to delete them right now, so this might be the only way, is to cancel out the view on them and say, okay, I like it like that. I'll just leave it and start drawing again. Very simple. See, so if you take your time, you do each strand, instead of just rushing and keep tapping, you get hair like this, which looks normal. But of course there is hairs frisky when you do it in certain areas, but you don't do it all the time, say at the front, because now it looks like this, which doesn't look so pretty. But there is techniques that you can use it to your advantage, to add a bit of detail and realism to things. I have to be careful I use them, of course. Actually, that looks weird and cool at the same time, in my opinion. Yeah, that's the hair area, basically. So again, you click on that. Ran out of time, my bad. Again, you click on this to open your frame each time, to start on the hair, just so ignore. If you get this problem as well, where that thing pops up randomly, just tap that. Don't do this, because that is that part. If you want the person bald, you would click it, of course, but I don't want a bald person. See, yeah, I suggest leaving these. I don't know what they do. They sometimes crash the application though, so ignore them. Clicking on this freezes it for a bit. It should. There we go. Okay, so what did this do? This, I don't know. Oh, hair. Oh my. Oh, I think it's it's the stuff over here. See that there? So, oh, so it's changing quite a bit. Yeah, you see, it's actually changing the hair. I just noticed now. See there? I'm drawing on it. So if you know what you're doing around this, you can actually make beautiful artworks with it. Say I want the edges to go like this. Okay, hold on. I'm actually going to do something with this. give you an idea. There we go. See what that did is it changed that. So we go around here, changing 20 things. So if you learn how with these things are located, you can really make nice artworks with it, like shadowing areas. I don't think changing the color actually matters, actually. Okay, yeah, no, it mixes the colors together. So keep that in mind. If you mix two colors together, it's going to give you a certain color. It's not going to be the color you've chosen, unless your hair is white. And you do something like this, then it'll change the hair. This looks like a mess because this is a mess. Whoa. See what it did there? Actually, kind of looked kind of nice. That's because of the white area, which is another thing with you messing with the hair and stuff. There is a white thing which you saw. And of course, I can just get rid of it anytime I want. Okay, so yeah, that is. Okay, apparently it's a whole bunch of the areas. Anyway, so that's the hair area covered as best as I could, really. Let's go on to the next section now. I think this is. Oh no, it's not ad. I'm sorry if this is a bad tutorial. I'm doing the best I can. It's all in Japanese. Like I said before, I might release the next video with better descriptions, which will be basically part 2. Okay, in this area here, I understood this area actually quite well. This is just changing a bit of the model, like the size. So if you want to make a child, you see, it actually didn't only change the size, it actually does kind of look like a kid. So it changes the body proportion completely. Now the hair, don't worry, that stays where it is. See, that hair still stays perfectly, and okay, it kind of changes a bit. So I suggest actually changing the model first a bit, the way you want. I mean, it doesn't change it too much. The hair does also change a bit, so don't worry about too much if you already made the model and you got to this area now. So that's the age, basically. That's making the bust smaller, making it larger, making it thinner, and this is the waist. Not much difference. For the views, I'm gonna do jokes. I'm just gonna do that. Why not? Now this, I believe, is changing the skin. Yeah. So we're gonna click on this. Wait a bit. There we go. So you see, it's the whole skin area. Now, of course, if you want to change like major areas of the skin, you would change it here. See, it's changing it over there. I can make it sunburned. Oh dear lord, I can make a Shrek. Okay, don't mess around with that too much, because I actually don't know how to get it back. Of course, I just have to go through it till I find the right color I would like. It doesn't matter, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Ignore the coloring for now. So, I would say I would want to change. I believe I can actually, yeah, you don't have to worry about looking at this and trying to figure out what everything is. You can literally paint directly onto the skin. After hitting plus. Clicking on that. Okay, no, you can't draw it directly on the screen, you have to actually figure it out. That's weird, really. So, okay, so that's this here is the right arm. On the left. Yeah, it's okay. This is the right arm. Left arm. I can't see the mouse, so I'm probably messed up. That's obviously the leg. Oh crap, sorry. What? Sorry. I'm guessing that's the leg. Yeah, right leg, left leg. It's a whole 3D model. Good. Looks good. There we go. That'll be under the shirt. So I guess you would erase the shirt to get to there. Guessing it's the underwear. That's the fingers. So you're gonna do nail stuff. You can literally just focus in on this. And you see, there's the nails. So I want to give it 3 nails. Wrong hand. I would do this, and I'll only paint the nails. If you want to paint the fingers, you also do that. This model's gonna look ugly, but this is just showing you what each thing does. So I'm not focused. I'm not even gonna save this model. Now I'm guessing that's the underwear. I regret drawing this. Please don't comment weird shit because I'm doing this. Okay, that's the socks. Okay, there, that's what they are. What are these then? I don't care, I'm gonna get off that view. Oh my god. What have I done to you? Okay, okay, next one. Well, otherwise I'm just stopped the video. Okay, and we're back. Beautiful, we're back. Oh crap. Okay, so that. Hello. Thank you. Okay, I don't know what you do. Okay, apparently you just took me back to where I was originally. I don't want that. Okay, never mind, it doesn't. Okay, so this one here, click on this. Don't ignore this for now. Ignore that. Just stay on here. I fucking clicked on it and I just froze it. Great. I fucking hate my life. Or a bunch of static in the background as well, making this video worse. There we go. Carry back. Cause I clicked on there. Okay, this is the bow tie. I think. Accessory art, so that would make me believe it's this. Now, the reason I crystal is I forgot to unselect in the area. Too lazy to go back and fix it. Yeah, see, this is the bow tie. I can draw onto it, I can draw it onto here. I believe I actually get rid of the bow tie. Oh dear god. Maybe don't try to get rid of the bow tie. That just, in case you can't get rid of the bow tie. We now know that. Maybe in the full version you can, I don't know. Bottoms, that'll be the, of course, the pants. So you would erase, not erase, man. You would draw on it, you can draw it here, you can draw it here, whatever way you want. Just notice this now. That's, yeah, that's still for the size of the paintbrush and stuff. So you want to add blood, because you're a messed up person like me, likes blood. That's a bit too bright. You would do stuff. Of course, it's not gonna be, I made the worst blood already. Oh god damn it. You would just draw. Draw it the way you want. Always change the color. Yay, blue blood. Avatar. Of course, you would rotate. You can either just do it on 3 mold by rotating, or just draw it across the entire thing, which affects the whole 3D model. These are all literally just frames for it as well. Like frame. That's one frame. I just drawn in the original frame, so if I try to erase, it's going to erase the original thing as well. So I messed up. Before you do anything, press plus. Don't work on the original frame. Again, this is just a bunch of grids by the looks of things. Probably to help with the to help with the 3D modeling. So leave that on. Shoes. As you can imagine, that's the shoe itself. Again, before you don't work on the original paint one, which is always this long one. Hit plus after clicking on the original. Then hit the one right above the original, which is the one you just made, and feel free to customize the shoe how you want, like what color. If you guys have worked on something, say you've been using this now, you created something. Can you maybe show me what it looks like? I'd actually be I'm interested in what some people create. It's not gonna look nothing like mine. It's gonna look way better than mine. I know that. I'm just interested in what some people have created on this application. So this would be the shirt. Now one thing I don't like about working on the shirt, if I do this, look at the shirt, my mouse is on it, but it doesn't appear until I start drawing, and it's a bit of a weird glitch. So I want you guys, which you should probably avoid, because it deletes things, the whole area. So you're busy coloring this area here. Yeah, there. It deleted it. I forgot to open the frame. There. See, it deleted things on its own. So I'm busy painting. Getting into, and I want to work on this. See if it does that. There. Don't click. This will happen. Okay, it didn't happen. There. Deleted. See, you took a giant chunk of the area. Hopefully I'm not listening to your ad. I'm not being sponsored. So be careful of that. That's why I work on this thing itself. Oh, there's my cursor. It's actually very small. So I was just working on this because that doesn't cause a problem. You can always work off the grid a bit like that, because this is just air. It doesn't affect the air. And see, it doesn't go in there because that's the one side. So what you do, you start editing here. So that is the back side of it. See? So this is the front. Oh my gosh. This is the back over here. Okay, that's head's covering. So this is right up to that line. This continues from the area right down to the back and a bit of the skirt. Like it, see, it dips down like that because they're under. So you can edit this area, which will edit that area. This would be the sleeves. This would be the area between the neck and that area there. That's under clothing, I guess. Not for the last tab. Wait, there's actually more. Okay, no, that's on that tab. Law. Wait for it to load. Hopefully they do fix the loading thing. It's not that my computer is shit or anything. My computer is actually good now. It used to be shit, yes, I know that. If you look at my old videos, it was crap. I haven't really done a recording on the new PC yet, besides these Vroid things. And I have done a reaction. Well, not my reaction, it's a friend's reaction to something. I'm going to post that very soon. I've just been busy and making a thumbnail for it. Okay, so there's only one thing here. Over here you'll see there's only one thing. So don't worry about that, changing that. Now this is facial features. So I can make it angry. That's not happy. Don't want to talk about that one that much. Don't know what that emotion is. Surprised. Did twice a mistake. Closed eyes. One eye so you can wink. Or make the person look drunk. Mouth open. Glowing. Weird smile. Okay, so now you can do commas, which also do different faces. Now I believe there would be the base set sound. So when you save via chat, and it'll be the base one. So when you load in and everything, that's what it'll look like. And if you edit things, it'll change to that. But the base one, as in if you're not doing any key bindings, that's what the base one would look like. So I wanted, yeah. That's why I don't want to talk about that one. Looks like a slut. Do that. So you can make, like I said, now be careful of certain combinations that look weird. Never feel scared to test things out and get used to them yourself. Okay, I didn't know what I just did. Oh, that's to save it as well. So that's saving apparently. So once you take it to a file, like exporting to a different type of file, so you can use on other things. Anyway, that's all for now. I might do a video of me just editing, talking, just making a model from scratch, trying to get a finished model, not just monstrosity like this thing. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment what you thought, and if you want to know anything else, please comment that. If you know how to translate things, please say so. Anything helps. Really. If you... Yeah, okay, I don't know what else to say, really. Thank you for watching. Like if you want to see a new part of something, covering something. If I can stop closing me. If you want to see something else specifically, say so in the comments. I'll work on that next then. Like focus on this, try to figure something out. I'll dedicate a whole video to figuring out one section. If you request 2 sections, I'll focus on covering 2 sections. Just say what you want, in other words. As long as it's not trying to, how would I export it to a PNG file and or whatever file to use on Blender and Unity. I do have them, but I don't think you can right now until a full release is out. You can save it, but I believe there's no bone meshing yet, and I don't know how to put bone meshes on myself yet. Still learning on that part. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. And if you have Vroid itself during the beta as well, good luck to you guys using it, and please, if I can kill myself now. Not really. Here, how to say would be like Control S. Wait for it to open the file. Oh yeah, Control S. You would also do that on your keyboard by hitting Control and S at the same time. Control Save. Which will... Okay, I suggest not maybe doing that. Just go with that, maybe. Oh no, Control Save. So that's what that did. Was that just saved it. So if you want to go back to it another time, you can always work on it another time by going to the load one. That's how you save it to print to another file. You click on this. See, that's into a PNG file. My God, move. So I want to go to put it in here. Put in Bandicam one. No, not Bandicam. Downloads. Screw. Save. So that will be there now as a PNG file. Okay, thanks for watching. That is all I'm going to cover for now. As when you saw, those are just references I was using to draw stuff. For instance, the Nanachi thing and this. Anyway, thanks for watching.
None on this earth can resist the desire to dive into the deep. All that we find will be brighter than the torches that we carry. We are heading much deeper within. We have lost our way, but we're still falling as the dogs are